Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are learning to make chapathi today. It's South Asian roti and we eat it with different curries. So we are going to show you how to make it. First, follow the kitchen rules and make sure everything is nice and clean before we make it. We will use our hands without gloves because we need to knead it. But we already washed our hands. So Shamim, let's start. How many cups of flour? Whole wheat flour. You can take whole wheat flour. You can also take all-purpose flour. We mixed this flour to make a soft roti. So how many cups?
We are taking 4 cups.
1, 2,
3, and then
4.
4 cups.
And then I will do few with salt.
And then adding salt.
How much salt, Shamim?
1 teaspoon.
It's up to you. Some people don't like to add salt because of their health condition. So you don't. It's not mandatory, but it makes it really tasty when you add it. It's half teaspoon of salt I'm putting in, and oil.
Oil 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of oil. And then we will add water. So do we need warm water or regular water?
You can use regular water.
Okay. So while you mix it, I will bring some water. There is water.
Little bit slowly we are adding water.
So now we are going to mix it. So Shamim, that's how you're supposed to mix it?
Yes, I mix it well. And I'm going to leave it for an hour, so it has to be soft and moisture.
Okay, nice. So we'll wait for 1 hour and we'll come back, right?
Yes.
Okay, so see you in 1 hour.
Stay tuned.
So dough is ready, and now we are making small balls. And after small balls, you are going to make this. Spread it like a chapathi, and after this is spread, we also put a little bit of dry flour before we do it. We clean the counter properly to spread it on the counter, and then now we are going to put it on the pan and make it a chapathi. Okay, so now we are going to put this on the pan. We mostly have a special tawa for this, but right now this is available on medium heat, and let it cook. When it cooks, flip it and make sure that you cook it properly, and then it's ready to eat like this. Yummy.
Our roti is done. Already we made it. It's little warm, and we are using chicken curry with it, and sometimes it goes with chickpeas and potato curry too. So we are going to have fun, and in my language it's very khub moja.
Приятного аппетита! Ванга rusikalam, arumai.
Buen provecho. And maze karo or maze se khao. Have fun. This is CNC North York Community House CNC team, and enjoy making roti and have fun. Thank you.
Bye.